I already drew this same picture once before. In my previous video, I got this comment, a girl drew the same picture in an art competition and she won the first prize. First, I am using a rough texture paper size 26 cm by 18.5 cm. To make this perfect circle, I did a little jugaad. I attached a blade to a compass and cut it like this. Have you ever seen this trick before? Let me know in the comments. First, I will use 3 color and cover about half of the sun. I am starting with the light color at the top and slowly moving to the darker tones at the bottom. When we see a sunset, we don't always notice so many colors, but when you paint it, you realize how beautiful and colorful it actually is. In real life, sun looks small like a football far away. We can't see it this closely. At the bottom of the sun, I am using a vermilion and crimson red. If you don't have the exact same color, don't worry. You can use any similar color and still get a beautiful result. And blending them softly with a tissue paper. Always remember, start blending from the light colors and then go to the darker tones. This helps the color mix smoothly. Now I will cover the sun using this paper circle cutout. This will make it easy to separate the sun from the sky. For the sky, I am using 2 oil pastels, ocean blue and stone grey, about 50% each. I am blending everything smoothly with clean tissue paper. After blending, it creates a beautiful dark blue color, perfect for an evening sky. To keep the horizon straight, I am using a paper as a guide. Then I blend the color gently with my fingers. It gives a very realistic effect. Now for the reflection in the water, I am using orange in the middle and crimson on the sides for a darker tone. Then blending it softly with my fingers. For the ocean waves, I am again using blue and grey just like the sky. And blending with tissue paper. Next, I am adding a purple color in the middle area. When red and blue mix, they create purple color. That's why I am using it here. Now I am adding some wave details using graphite pencil to make it look more realistic. For the highlights of the sun reflection, I am using yellow. I think yellow is enough, so I am not using white pastels anymore, but if you can, if you want. Now for the clouds, I am using a black pastels. I am not thinking too much about the shape, keeping it loose make it look more natural. But near the sun I am using orange for the clouds. This is very important because the sunlight hits the cloud, they don't stay black there. I am blending the clouds using cotton bud in a circular motion. It looks really nice. Finally, I am carefully removing the tape, making sure the paper doesn't tear. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.